Filmora is a user-friendly video editing software that caters to both beginners and intermediate users. While a detailed tutorial would exceed the character limit, I can provide you with a concise overview of key steps to use Filmora. 1. Install and launch. Download and install Filmora from the official website. Launch the application and create an account if required. 2. Import media. Click on Import to bring in your media files, videos, images, audio. Drag and drop files into the media library. Point 3. Timeline. Drag files from the media library to the timeline for editing. Arrange clips in the desired order. Point 4. Basic editing. Trim and cut clips using the split tool. Adjust clip speed, rotate, or flip as needed. Add transitions between clips for smooth flow. 5. Advanced editing. Apply effects and filters to enhance visuals. Utilize the green screen feature for chroma key effects. Adjust color, brightness, and saturation. Point 6. Text and titles. Add text by selecting the text/credit option. Customize fonts, colors, and animations. Use title templates for professional-looking credits. 7. Audio editing. Import background music or voiceovers. Adjust volume levels and apply fade-in/out effects. Use the audio equalizer for fine-tuning. Point 8. Transitions and effects. Explore a variety of transitions from the library. Apply built-in filters and effects to clips. Experiment with motion elements. 9. Export. Click on Export to save your project. Choose the desired format, resolution, and quality. Specify the output destination and click Export. 10. Additional features. Explore the Filmora Effects Store for additional content. Utilize the pan and zoom feature for dynamic camera movements. Experiment with keyframing for advanced animations.